Toronto, good morning. United 311, flight level 280, smooth.
United 311, good morning, Toronto. Identified, smooth right ahead.
Toronto, Mayday, 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 United 311.
United 311, go ahead.
An engine failure, right engine fail, request lower.
Okay, United 311, descend and maintain, level 240. Where do you want to land? Do you want to go down or do you want to keep going?
Stand by, descend now, 240, United 311.
Can we take course?
And Toronto, United 311. Let's see here, declare an emergency. We've got a right engine failure, 169 souls on board. Fuel remaining 7 hours 55 minutes, and fuel on board 46.6. It looks like we will divert to Cleveland. Engine is stabilized. Stand by for further clearance.
Okay, United 311, I checked that. Let me know when you want the route to Cleveland.
And Toronto, United 311. Yeah, the current weather at Cleveland.
United 311, the weather at Cleveland, winds 120 at 6 knots. The visibility is 10. View at 2500, temperature 11. Dew point -4, altimeter 3014.
Okay, copy that. Request vectors for Cleveland, United 311.
Okay, United 311, you go direct to Cleveland. Can you put in direct Cleveland? Proceed direct to the airport.
We can do both. Give us a heading for now and we'll set it up here in a minute.
Okay, United 311, turn left, heading 180.
180, United 311.
And United 311, contact Cleveland Center now, 134.77. Take care.
Cleveland, United 311, flight level 240, direct Cleveland.
United 311, Cleveland Center, Roger. And I believe they've coordinated everything with you, but the one question we had remaining was, do you guys need emergency equipment standing by?
Yes, we will. Declared an emergency. Request rescue, please.
Okay, thank you.
And which runway can we expect? I'm pulling up the weather now, but obviously request the longest available runway.
Okay, we'll forward that information. They're coordinating it right now, so we'll get that back to you.
Copy.
And United 311, you can expect 6 left.
All right, we'll plan for 6 left, United 311. Thanks.
United 311, contact Cleveland Center, 132.45.